Now we are going to calculate the oxidation number of chlorine in bleaching powder. As the molecular formula of bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride CaOCl2, and the structure of bleaching powder is this. As we can see, there is single bond between oxygen and chlorine, and the electronegativity of oxygen is more than chlorine atom. So due to this covalent bond, there is -1 charge on oxygen atom, and due to this covalent bond, there is +1 charge on this chlorine atom. Now see the another bond between calcium and oxygen. In calcium and oxygen, the electronegativity of oxygen is more, and there is single bond. Due to this bond, there is again -1 charge on oxygen atom. While due to this bond, the charge on calcium will be +1. Now see the another bond formed between calcium and chlorine. In calcium and chlorine, the electronegativity of chlorine is more. Therefore, due to this bond, -1 charge on chlorine atom, and due to this bond, there is +1 charge on calcium. Now we can see that there are two chlorine atoms. So oxidation state of one chlorine atom is -1, and the oxidation state of one chlorine atom is +1. If we solve the average oxidation state, then average oxidation state will be +1 -1 divided by 2. It means average oxidation state of chlorine is 0, and the oxidation state of oxygen is -2, calcium is +2. So we have calculated the oxidation state of each element in bleaching powder. Now see our next compound, which is Marshall acid. We also called Marshall acid as peroxodisulfuric acid, as there is one peroxy linkage present, and the molecular formula is H2S2O8. Now see the compound. So this is basically Marshall acid. There is one peroxy linkage, and it is formed by the combination of two sulfuric acid. Therefore, peroxy linkage is formed by the combination of two sulfuric acid. Therefore, we call peroxodisulfuric acid. Now see, as we can see, there is one bond, covalent bond between oxygen and hydrogen, and electronegativity of oxygen is more. Therefore, -1 charge on oxygen and +1 charge on hydrogen. Now we can see, due to this sulfur oxygen bond also, electronegativity of oxygen is more than sulfur. There is one covalent bond, therefore -1 charge on this oxygen. And we see, due to there is sulfur oxygen bond, also there is sulfur oxygen bond, oxygen is more electronegative, therefore charge on oxygen atom is -1 and -1. So due to this covalent bond, the charge on sulfur atom will be, due to this bond, +1, and due to this bond, +1. Now see, also there is double bond between sulfur and oxygen. So there are two bonds, covalent bond between sulfur and oxygen. Oxygen is more electronegative, therefore -2 charge on oxygen atom. So due to this -2 charge, sulfur will acquire +2 charge. Again we can see, again below also sulfur oxygen double bond there, and electronegativity of oxygen is more, therefore -2 charge on oxygen atom. So due to this -2 charge double bond, sulfur will acquire again +2 charge. So the net charge on sulfur is +6. So this is the oxidation state of sulfur atom. Now again see, there is sulfur oxygen bond, and oxygen is more electronegative. There is single bond only, therefore -1 charge on oxygen atom. Now due to this bond, sulfur will acquire +1 charge. Now again there is oxygen hydrogen bond. Due to this bond, hydrogen +1 and oxygen will get -1. Oxygen has more electronegativity. Now due to this bond we can see, the oxygen is more electronegative, sulfur is less electronegative. So due to this bond, oxygen will get again -1. Now we can see, due to this double bond, due to this double bond, and due to this single bond, and due to this single bond, so basically 6 covalent bonds, and oxygen is more electronegative. So the charge on sulfur is +1, and due to this double bond, +2 and +2. So basically the charge on sulfur is +6. There is also, we can see, oxygen hydrogen bond, hydrogen +1, oxygen more electronegative, -1. Now sulfur oxygen bond, oxygen more electronegative, therefore due to this bond, oxygen will also get -1. So we can see that the oxidation state of sulfur atom is +6 in Marshall acid. So oxidation sulfur is +6 in Marshall acid. If we calculate the average oxidation state, then average oxidation state is 6 + 6, 12 divided by 2. So it will be also 6. So this is the oxidation state of sulfur in Marshall acid.